And there goes the start of the final event for today. On the water now in front of you are the senior men K1 2000 meters, event B13. Here we're expecting this to be a fast race, so we should be completing in about 10 minutes for the winner or less. Okay, let's see who is going to pull off a win for this. Okay, this should not be a surprise. Of course, leading the pack from Team Singapore, we have Wee Fang Hao and Emmanuel Lim. Let's see if anyone is going to challenge them for first two positions. Okay, very strong start from both athletes. And let's see how it plays as we go on. Okay, and then there's a chasing pack. I see Benjamin from Invictus. I see Vignesh from Singapore Polytechnic. And is that Chun Hao from, what did he sign up as? Let me see. Lightning Kayaking Club. Simon Teo is right behind, representing McRitchie Canoe Club. A little bit of waves in front from the NDP boats that are passing through, but I think they should be okay. Okay, let's watch as the race progresses. Okay, spreading out fairly evenly. Okay, let's see when more of the paddlers come a bit closer. Okay, for those who are looking to come back into kayaking, there are actually a few options. For those who are 19 years old and above or seniors, you can get in touch with ActiveSG Canoe Academy to join the Paddle for Life program. It is a by-invitation program, so you have to write in first. If you are alumni, you could also consider Invictus Canoe Kayak Spring Club. We have Lightning Kayaking Club for the national team alumni. McRitchie Canoe Club is open to all paddlers, so you could contact, Wee Tong is not here today, but you could contact Simon as well. And of course, Tampines North CSN, they are based here at the Kallang Water Sports Center, and they train at Marina Reservoir. Right, so if you'd like to get in touch and come back to paddling, do consider to contact some of these clubs to join. Okay, this is the final race for today, and I'll encourage the teams who are here to start packing up the area. Okay, please dispose all your trash in the green bins. If it is full, it doesn't look full, but if it is full, there's an even bigger one near the reception area. Okay, so let's help keep the place clean, and we can start to keep the boats that you are not using for the races anymore. Okay, the victory ceremony will happen shortly after the completion of the senior men's competition. So we're expecting it in about 10 minutes time. Please gather at level 1 of the Sports Hub Water Sports Center. Okay, we will be giving away medals to the top 3 of all the 2000 meter events today. Do note that for the junior men K1 event, it is the top 3 from both finals add together. Okay, we are just double checking some of the results, so do wait out for the announcement. Okay, and leading the pack, as you see again, it's one straight line. Everybody's trying to wash right on each other. That's the most efficient way, but if you want to win the position, you got to out-sprint the guy in front at the end. Okay, let's wait for them to come a bit closer. My guess is that it is still Emmanuel and Fang Hao in the lead. No, now it's Emmanuel in the lead and Fang Hao is on the wash. Okay, there we have it, our 2 athletes from Team Singapore. Okay, most recently, they competed at the Southeast Asian Canoe Sprint Championships in Haiphong, Vietnam. And the team did pretty well at that competition. And who is that? Boat 599, Coach Tan Chun Hao from ActiveSG Canoe Academy, today representing Lightning Kayaking Club. Cheer on Coach Chun Hao. And behind him, 597 from Invictus, Benjamin, who is also a coach with ActiveSG Canoe Academy. In the white boat, Vignesh, Singapore Polytechnic, and very long sleeve, that's Simon Teo from MacRitchie Canoe. 602, let's see, who is 602? 602 is that from NYP? Yes, it is from Nanyang Polytechnic, Russell Lee. Okay, got a couple more boats behind. Marcus Cole is going strong. After having done the Masters Men K1, he is back for the Senior Men K1 event. That's many races this morning. Okay, we have the athletes coming through, about halfway through the 2,000 meter events. Okay, once again, I'd like to invite everyone to gather around level 1 of the Sports Hub Water Sports Center. If you'd like to stay on level 2, that is okay as well. Okay, we are going to do the victory ceremony and then a group photo together of everybody. Okay, several athletes there from SIM Canoe Sprint. SIM Canoe Sprint is a team that is based at Marina Reservoir, and they have shifted their boats here especially for this competition. So we are very happy to have them with us. Let's see, boat 594 from ActiveSG Canoe Academy. Okay, all the athletes are on their way for the next turn. Some have reached the final turn and they are making their way down the home stretch. Coming down on the home stretch. Let's see if anyone's going to make a challenge to the top 3 for the medals. Or is it going to be the 3 boats that we see right now? There's about 250 meters more to go for the final race of today. The Senior Men K1 2000 meters straight finals. It was a very fast start, and as you can see, the weather's pretty hot, so athletes are trying their best to hold on to the positions. Okay, are we going to be in for a final sprint to the end? Don't forget, there's a cash prize for the top 3 winners. Of course, the winner gets the most. Okay, 50 meters to go. It looks quite sudden. Positions look like they are holding. And ladies and gentlemen, your champion for Pesta Sukan Canoe Sprint Senior Men K1 2000 meters, boat 615, Emmanuel Lim. Congratulations, Emmanuel. 616, Fang Hao. And here we go. Third position, 599, Chun Hao. Congratulations, boys. Okay, well done to Benjamin from Invictus Canoe Kayak Spring Club, and following closely behind Vignesh from Singapore Polytechnic. The top four boats, please come to boat control. Fang Hao, Emmanuel, Chun Hao, and Ben. Please come to boat control. Okay, representing MacRitchie Canoe Club, Simon has completed the race. That looks like Russell from Nanyang Polytechnic, Chad from Tampines North CSN, and Marcus in his second 2-kilometer race this afternoon from NUS Canoe Alumni. Congrats, Marcus. Good fight. Okay, and there we go, boat 596. Okay, Ethan Lu from ActiveSG Canoe Academy. Okay, boat 595 has just crossed the line. Okay, just a couple more boats making their way down the final home stretch, and that concludes the races for this afternoon. Okay, all competitors, school athletes, you're reminded to start packing up your area. Please return all the equipment you have borrowed, put it nicely, and then we will pack up soon. Okay, if you see your friends on water, do cheer on for them. This is the final stretch. There's about the last 100 meters. Okay, it's been a long afternoon, hot sun. We are lucky with the weather. And congratulations to all the finishers. Okay, we'll be giving away the prizes in sequence. Okay, so the medal winners, please do gather closer to the prize presentation table. Okay, and he didn't want the mic, but we have next to me Richard, our starter for today. He's back after a whole afternoon and morning in the hot sun. Okay, paging for Audrey. If you're around, we will need to get ready for the victory ceremony.